Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain hooks concept in Vue.js. So here we have some list of lifecycle hooks. So in the creation, we have before create, created, and the mounting, we have before mount, mounted, the updating, before update, updated, the unmounting, before unmount, unmounted, and in the MIC, we have some list of lifecycle hooks. And when before create will be called, it will be called after instance has been initialized. And the created will be called after instance is created, okay. And before mount, so mount the moment in which it creates virtual dom to dom, this is called before mount. So mount, which means a moment in which it creates virtual dom to real dom. So before mount, it will be called before the mounting begins, that is before the mounting begins, this before mount will be called, and also any function which is about to be called for the first time, okay. Mounted, it will be called after instance has been mounted. Before our update, it will be called when data changes, and before DOM is patched. Updater, it will be called after data changes, which causes the virtual DOM to be re-rendered and also patched. So these are all some list of hooks. So I'll explain these life cycle of hooks with an example. So first create parent and view, and in the app dot component import parent, and in the parent dot component import uh, in the app component import parent, in the parent component import child, okay. And here all the life cycles are imported in the parent as well as child. And go to the template section. In the template, I have created button. If I click it, it will remove the child. Initially, it displays the parent component and child component. If I click this button in the parent component, then it will remove the child component. This is the concept. Okay. So initially displays the parent and both parent and child. Okay. So when it displays the both parent and child, what all the methods will be called? After removing the child component, what all the methods will be called? That's all. Okay. So button at click show child, not show child. That is initially the show child is true. If it is not equal to, if you are assigning not true, not show child, which means no false. If you are assigning false, then the child will component will be removed. So in the parent section, we have parent component and one button. In child section, only child component we have here. So just run this. So this is initially when you run this, will be having this web page. Just right click this page and give inspect. Okay, and go to the console part. So initially displays both parent and child component. And what are all the methods will be called? First, initially before create of parent, creator, before mount of parent only called. After that only the child components before create, created, before mount will be called. And first mount the child, then it mounts the parent. That's all. So these are all the order of the all the hooks, all the method. Suppose if I remove this child component, what will happen? First, it updates first parent before update. Okay, it calls the before update of parent, and it calls the before unmount of child, unmount it, then update the parent. These are all the order of the cycles, order of all the methods when you remove this. Initially, when you display both components, first it calls all the parent and then child. First it mounts the child, then only parent. When you remove, before update of parent will be called, and after that only before unmounted of child will be called, then it updates the parent component. It updates the in the parent component, because in the parent component only we are importing child component. That's why before update, then it unmounts the child, then finally it updates the parent component. So this is the life cycle of hooks. Okay, just try this program. Thank you.